Good morning, friends. We have not vlogged in a while. It has been a minute. So I'm getting in my car. It is about 5. Let me check. I don't actually know. 5:48. And we have a ship tour at 10 a.m. in San Diego, but I live in Los Angeles, if you didn't know this. So it is about a 3-hour drive on down to San Diego. I'm so excited. If you didn't know this, I am a travel agent that specializes in Disney vacations, and I was invited to come and tour the Disney Wonder. So it has been refurbished, some pieces have been redone, so I'm so excited to share a full, extensive, awesome ship tour. And I don't have my kids with me because this is part of my job, so I'm so excited. So let's go tour the Disney Wonder. If you are new here, hi, my name is Allison. I do mainly Disney content. It usually has my family with me, but today we're going solo together. That's an oxymoron. But today we're going together, just you and I, on down to San Diego to do a ship tour with the Disney Wonder. So we are going to tour the Disney Wonder down in San Diego. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you back here. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is the same as here. It's Pixie Dust and Parenting. It's got a couple of underslashes. I will put it here. I wasn't ever able to change my Facebook, so it's still Allison Wdwgirl. If you didn't know, that was my previous name, but now I've always focused mainly on family content, so I just wanted a channel name that reflected that. But Allison Wdwgirl still is alive and well over on Facebook because they would not allow me to change the name. So there you go. Long explanation short. Let's go to San Diego. I'm alone on this and I see the Wonder. I'm going to show it to you guys. Hopefully you can see the Wonder. It's, oh my gosh, it's so big. Here, let me show you. Cadillac Lounge that I just showed you. It is the adults only area, and it means that you can do like mixology classes and tastings and all of that. And so this is no kids allowed, but you can listen to nice music and have a drink, and yeah.
Marketing funds.
Crown and Fin. All right. Feeling this. Loving this. Loving this. Look at this. Classic telephone. What? I love the Rose and Crown, so this is right up my alley. Good things that I love. But during the day they have some like kid activities, but it looks like they have like trivia and fun activities to do in the evening. I'm loving the theming here. So I'm in Azure, which is another adult-only area, and they turn it into a nightclub at night. And they also, because we are during Halloween on the high seas, they do an adult-only costume party, costume contest. I'm like, why am I not sailing right now? Oh my gosh, there's the pumpkin tree. This is what I was waiting for. Look at that pumpkin tree. Oh my goodness. Look at, can you guys see the little pumpkin faces? How cute are they? Oh my gosh. Look at that pumpkin. He's so cute. Look at how cute this dress up is. I've never seen one of these. This is one of those.
It's a nautical character stateroom experience.
Yes.
That's cool.
This is the birthday one. Here's the birthday celebration. This is so cute.
Isn't this cute?
Yes, this is adorable. I always wondered.
It's just, you know,
They're so cute. So yeah, this is the, oh, it's a 4th birthday. Oh, this is so sweet. I love this. Halloween on the high seas. Here's some of the Halloween decorations. So cool. Okay, here is the concierge level 1 bedroom with veranda. Holy moly, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So here is the
talking about
1 bedroom.
Yeah, that's a private.
Does this pull down?
It's like something you see.
It looks like it pulls down.
Yeah.
And then here is the bathroom. It's got a little desk and a big old closet. And then the bathroom with a huge tub. And then, yep, a shower. This is huge. Wow. I'm sorry if this was so fast. I have to hurry through it. Wow, this is so pretty.
The one's a one bedroom selection,
Yeah. So we only have 2 of these suites on board. This is the Walt Disney suite, and the other one is Roy Disney, his brother. It's on the other side of the ship. Same layout, just a little different decor. As a matter of fact, I was just noticing that they reimagined the stateroom, so it's brand new.
Ooh, okay, so it looks like there's a little, wow. It was just reimagined. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh look. There's our guy, guys. Wow, this is so beautiful.
It is.
Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Okay, so here is the seating area. Wow. Look at this other great picture. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Yeah. This is very cool.
Aww. I wonder if those are double. See a little down here.
So here's another bathroom.
Yeah, that's another bed.
Okay.
That's how we get 7.
Okay. here is one bathroom. Wow, this is beautiful.
Is that a closet or is that?
Here's a walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
Wow. These pictures are so cool. More pictures. Look, my television. Okay, so here it looks like a big main area. Is that a TV? Does the TV come up? Wow, that's wild. Here's a TV. Probably pops up. Here's a little sitting space.
Includes a Murphy bed.
That's awesome. It's a Murphy bed. Wow. This is just, oh, and the doors close off, so it's almost like a three bedroom.
It's like a 3-bedroom. You can.
Wow.
Did you see in the kids? You had the pull downs.
And then I want to show them. All right, here is another bed, like a nice little area. Here is another. Wow, this is gorgeous. Bathroom, huge shower. Wow. One last walk-in closet. Okay, this is a standard stateroom with one bathroom, so I actually want to see how this works. Oh, it still is a good size. It's still a really good size. Because it still has a tub you can bathe a child in. Sorry. Oh, this is a good size. You can still sleep 4. It still has the curtains. Has like a little pull out and the pull down for the bunk beds. And that's a great size. Just so you guys know, I am walking from 7 down to 3, and guests are starting to get on the ship, and I can hear them being announced, and I'm so jealous. We are in Triton's eating, and I'm going to show you the menu. You see this down on the bottom, they have like a little guide, and some of the foods will say what they have gluten-free. That shows you what different choices you have for gluten-free choices. Okay, so I started with just the salad, and I have an iced tea. Okay, so I got the beef, because this was my gluten-free option, with a double baked potato and some green beans. Okay, this is the gluten-free. They made me a special little dessert, and I'm going to take a real quick bite. We're walking into French Quarter, Tiana's place, and they just redid this lounge area. This is so beautiful. French Quarter Lounge. Look at how pretty this is with the Mardi Gras beads. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. This is so pretty. You've got a stage right here. I'm loving this bar. It looks like French Quarter. This is really cool. I feel like there are a lot of pieces on this ship. So on this ship specifically, I'm feeling like a lot of it feels like very Disney World to me. Like, so this French Quarter obviously is reminiscent of French Quarter. And then there's that English pub that we went to reminds me of Rose and Crown. So it feels like almost, look at this, it's this trolley car. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it. Let me see. You can see this. It's like a little trolley car. This is so adorable. It's adorable? Oh my god. So I didn't get to show you Tiana's place because there were guests in there, but I did take some pictures. But now we're in Animator's Palette.
Oh wow, what a place.
Look at that. This looks totally different than the dream. This is so awesome. Here is the D Lounge walking into. There's a bar back there, and then a stage, and all the seating. Walt Disney Theater. They're showing the Golden Mickeys because it's the first night. It's Preludes Bar. Here is the Oceaneers Club. There's the Animator Studio, Craft Studio, Wheelhouse. Okay, so there's a special hallway that you can actually connect between the two.
So this way the kids don't have to go out.
So the kids don't have to go out and come back in. You have a nice little hallway that takes you from the Oceaneers Club over into like Andy's room. And we're gonna go over into it right now. It's like a Disney Junior room.
Here's Andy's room, and then here's Marvel.
Oh, and Marvel. Marvel. Andy's room. There's a Frozen theme. Cute. This is adorable. We've got little coloring. I didn't get to come in. Look at the cribs. Here's just a little bit of Palo, which is the adults only restaurant, and you have to be 18 and up to eat here, and it's $40 a person. Just got back from San Diego. It was a 4-hour drive, so I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed the ship tour. If you did, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you back here, and also give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.